Hey, what's up guys? Allyn here with Sonic Electronix at the Dual Booth CES 2019. We're taking a look at the DMCPA79BT. That's their doubled in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 7-inch touchscreen radio. So just to kind of give you a quick overview of this, this is kind of what the UI looks like: radio, USB, phone, Bluetooth. Of course, your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, iPod support. This is obviously what it looks like when you go into Apple CarPlay. For those of you that are familiar with it, you switch back, that goes to your radio, your main menu, obviously auxiliary in, camera input, as you would expect, and you know, obviously Apple CarPlay pretty much looks the same just about on any radio, but if we actually unplug it, let me give you a quick demo of the Android Auto GUI as well. And obviously, as it pops up, you've got your home, your phone, etc. This is the same you know, UI that you would find on any other Android Auto device as well. So for more information on the DMCPA79BT, please visit sonicelectronix.com.